Okay, let's play. You wanna play peekaboo? Wanna play peekaboo? Yeah? Okay, hold on. Come here. Oh, Jace, come on. Alright, here you go. Where's Simon? Where's the birdie? There he is! Hello, Simon. There's my birdie. Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Alright, let's do it again. You ready? Alright. Alright. Where's Simon? Where's the birdie? Peekaboo! Peek. Oh, jeez. And there he is, having a good old time with peekaboo. Alright, say hi to the folks, Simon. Can't see you. Hello. There you are. Hello. Where's the fishies? Where's the fishies? There's the fishies. Yeah. Alright, you ready? Okay, come on. Alright. He loves my underwear drawer. What can I say? Alright, here we go. Let's play peekaboo. Where's Simon? Where's the birdie? Oh, there he is. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Yeah, I know you love that little game. Wish you'd play with your toys or something. Alright, come on, one more time. Where's Simon? Where's the birdie? There he is! Peekaboo! Peekaboo! Alright, I know this probably seems weird, but there's my birdie. That's Simon. Say hi, Simon. Pretty bird. Pretty birdie. Birdie, birdie. Well, that's enough. I know you want to play peekaboo. Well, he's not going to talk today. Come here, Simon. Where's Simon? Where's the birdie? There he is. Peekaboo. 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 Yeah, I know you love that little game. He sometimes gets so excited he wants to jump on me. Okay, say goodbye. Say bye-bye. 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 Okay.